All right, here we got 4 Scarlet Violet 151 packs. We're gonna start opening these up. Let's do this. Oh, Chameleon. Okay. Aerodactyl. All right. Not bad. But that one definitely would have been a Charizard of that Charmeleon. That's all right. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we got a shiny energy. Nidoking, not bad. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Moltres, that's nice. Charmeleon, okay. Okay. Vaporeon, all right. Not bad, not bad. Right, we're definitely gonna get a fire type rare one on that one, but no cigar. All right, let's see what we get under this pack. Okay, we got Diglett. What's our card? Ah, I'm a champ. Not bad. Okay, some decent pulls there. That's it, guys.